genocide. Death camps are set up to receive trainloads of Jews from across the occupied countries. The Nazis need
Babe,
staff
she knows
to
she's
run
there.
these
Look at.
factories efficiently. So they once again turn to their Ukrainian collaborators.
Wow, she doesn't care for him.
One of the most notorious is Ivan Marchenko.
This is, yeah, you know that, you could see with the coffin report, why they call it the coffin report, yeah. And like he said, he's got for, Estonia, 963, and then you.
Hazel, what are you doing?
That was the first.
Mm-hmm.
Also known as Ivan the Terrible. He's recruited and trained by the SS at a prison camp called Trebniki. From there, he's sent to the notorious extermination camp Treblinka. To work the gas chambers where 3,000 Jews are killed at one time.
Uh-oh.
He's a vicious sadist, known for his depraved cruelty. Marchenko is almost certainly a former Soviet prisoner of war. The recruitment of these guards is officially voluntary.
Babe.
Deportation or death in a prisoner of war camp. But once employed, they excel in tormenting their victims. Especially Jewish women to their deaths in the gas chambers.
All right, Hazel, did you learn your lesson yet?
And his Ukrainian cohorts unable to kill an entire trainload of Jews in just